Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make collection in Shopify Zone theme. All right, so as you can see, this is the Zone theme that we are going to use. So first is to log into your Shopify store and then make sure that the theme that you are using on your online store is the Dawn theme. So currently we have the Horizon, so we have to change this one first. Okay, so here you have to check if this is your right store, and then after that you just have to go here on the theme store. So click on the visit theme store, right? And then you just have to use the search bar at the top and search for Dawn theme. Okay, and then after that, be able to see here now the Dawn theme. So what you're going to do here is to simply click on the try theme option. Okay, so simply click on the try theme and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, you just have to go back here on your online store and go to the theme section. All right, and then here, as you can see, adding is on. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then you have this Dawn theme right here. Okay, so you just have to click on the publish option. All right, so click on the publish after that. Now you are currently using the Dawn theme. So let's proceed to create your collection. Okay, so we are done logging into our Shopify. So here you just go to the left side and click on the products option. So here on the products, you'll be able to see here all of the products that you have imported and you have uploaded on your Shopify store. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on this collection option right here and then click on the add collection. Okay, so for the collection, you have to enter a title and an optional description. So this will appear at the top of your collection page in the Dawn theme. So for example, let's say beauty. All right. And then after that, you just have to add here your description. And then next thing that you're going to do is to select the type. So we have here the collection type, which we have the manual and the smart one. So for example, we are going to use the manual. So after that, you just have to browse your products. Okay, and then we are going to select this two and then click on add after that. So for the manual, you have to add the products manually and one by one. And if you're going to choose the smart or automated, you set rules like all products with the tag summer will be included, or any word that you want to use as an action. Next, the next thing that we are going to do next the next thing that we are going to do here is to add products to your collection. So if manual, just scroll down to the product section, then click browse, select products. Then if automated, just set the condition. Okay. Next is we have to add an image, but this one is optional, but it is recommended. Okay. You just have to go here on the image section. So just simply click on the add image and then you just have to select your image. Okay, so for example, this image. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one and then click on done after that. All right. Now here on in the Dawn theme, this image will display as the banner or thumbnail for the collection. Okay. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to save this section. Okay, and then we have to organize the navigation. So just simply click on save, and then to make your collection visible in your storefront, just go to the online store. Okay, just simply click on your online store and then go to the navigation. Okay, so go to the pages, and then here you just have to edit your main menu. Okay, and then you just have to add a menu item, so link it to your new collection and then save the menu changes after that. Okay, so you just have to go here. So let me just go back to the theme section so we can check if we are really using the Dawn theme. All right, so let's go back here on the pages, and then we just have to add a new page, and then you just have to give this page a title. Okay, and then you have to put here a part or a description and a content for this one. After that, just have to click on the save option. Okay, so here we have for example, about us or the sizing chart. Okay, so after that, doing those changes, I just have to go back here on your Dawn theme. So let's go back to our themes. Okay, and then click on the customize option. Okay, so under the collection, okay, so we have here now our featured products. Okay, so let's go to the collection section, and then we have the default collection. Okay, so as you can see, for the collection, we have here now finally the two products that we have added on our collection. So after that, you just have to preview your store, and then under the collection or featured collection section, select the new collection you just created. Okay, so to preview your store, just simply click on the three dots right here, and then click on the view option. Alright, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So, and right here, as you can see, you just have to search for navigation if you cannot find it in the options. But if you can see this error, you just have to refresh this page. That's right. And then after that, you just have to come here and then create menu. And then you just have to give this menu a name. That's right. So I'm just going to tap right here collection. So sorry, it's not the correct spelling. Okay, and then after that, you just have to put here the label. So I'm just going to name this one as collection again. And then of course you have to add here the link, and then make sure to select the collection that you want to link in this menu. Okay, and then after that, if you would like to add another menu item, just simply click on this view option at the bottom. After that, you just have to save this section, and then you can now go back to your store and preview your edits. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.